Welcome to the Prompt Index. Today we're unpacking a game-changing study on how generative AI reshapes labor market signaling and what that means for hiring in the real world. At the heart of this paper is a simple question with big implications. When writing used to be a costly signal of ability, what happens to hiring if AI makes writing almost free? The authors study this on freelancer.com, a platform where job posts, proposals, and bids create a visible signaling ballet between workers and employers. They build a novel AI-based measure of how tailored a proposal is to a specific job, and they pair that with rich click data to separate signals from effort. Their methodology is ambitious. They first quantify signal content with an LLM-based rubric that judges how well a proposal matches a job post. They measure signaling effort as time spent on the application. They then estimate a structural model that fuses Spence-style signaling with a discrete choice demand framework. Workers choose bids and effort, employers form beliefs about ability from signals and bids, and outcomes hinge on a signaling equilibrium. Crucially, they simulate a counterfactual where writing costs drop to zero, no signaling at all. What do they find? In the pre-LLM era, employers paid a premium for highly customized proposals because those signals reliably indicated ability and effort. The model suggests employers valued ability and were willing to pay about $52.16 for a one standard deviation increase in ability, with ability differences having substantial wage and hiring implications. Signals themselves were strong predictors of demand, effort, and successful completion, and there was a clear, positive link between signal and actual ability, correlation around 0.55. After mass adoption of LLMs, signaling weakens dramatically. Proposals written with the platform's AI tool show a troubling pattern. Higher effort no longer aligns with higher signals, and signals no longer predict job completion. In their no-signaling counterfactual, the equilibrium shifts toward less meritocracy. Top ability workers are hired 19% less often, bottom ability workers 14% more often. Quantitatively, eliminating signaling reduces total surplus slightly and worsens worker welfare, while employer surplus remains relatively stable. The paper concludes that costly written signaling is a fragile mechanism in the face of cheap, scalable AI, raising questions about how to design markets that guard against signaling breakdowns. Limitations in future work are clear. These results come from freelancers' ecosystem and depend on structural identification assumptions. Yet the insights are broad, highlighting a real risk as AI tools become ubiquitous in pre-hire communication and beyond. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free resources at the Prompt Index. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time.